Ladies and gentlemen, I know this bear is ugly, but what's happening in this world is very fitting to what this bear looks like, especially on Wall Street. As of March 12th, 2020, stocks have entered the bear market. And I'm about to give you a little history on the bear market and when the worst bear markets occurred. So it was a really, really bad day yesterday when I went back to look at the official drop in points. It went down 2,400 points yesterday. So it even topped a 2,000 point drop. So again, trillions lost. Trillions lost. So this came out on NPR. Stocks entered bear market. What does it mean? Nothing lasts forever, not even a stock market that keeps going up, up, and up. This week, just days after its 11th year anniversary, investors unceremoniously said goodbye to the longest running bull market in history. And you want to know the funny part, y'all? It still didn't do as good as Black Wall Street. Black Wall Street was profitable for 15 straight years. This was their best run, 11 years. I want you to keep that in mind. Okay, then the bears took over. The Dow Industrial Average entered bear market territory when it tumbled more than 20% from the record it had just set on February 12th. And as of Thursday, the blue chip index was down nearly 8,400 points, a stunning 28% from that high point. The bear market is defined as a period in which major stock indexes drop by 20% or more from a recent high point and remain that low for at least a few months. The two worst bear markets in history during the Great Depression and the Great Recession reduced cumulative losses of 83% and 51%, respectively. Analysts like to say that the stock market is not the economy, but a bear market reflects concerns and anxieties about the economy. And at times, a bear market is accompanied by a recession. A recession is when the economy experiences two or more consecutive quarters of decline. As to the origins of bulls and bears, when referring to the market, historically, the middleman in the sale of bear skins would sell skins they had yet to receive. As such, they would speculate on the future purchase price of these skins from the trappers, hoping they would drop. The trappers would profit from a spread. The difference between the cost price and the selling price. These middlemen became known as bears, short for bear skins jobbers. And the term stuck for describing the downturn in the market. Conversely, because bears and bulls were widely considered to be opposites due to the once popular blood sport of bull and bear fights, the term stands as the opposite of bears. Yes, they used to make bears and bulls fight to the death. These people are sick. They are sick. But, ladies and gentlemen, this has been not only a bad experience for what's spreading around the country, but it has killed America when it comes down to getting hit in the pocket. Man, I tell you, if you would have told me even a month ago this would occur, I would never have believed it. But here we are in a bear market. Here we are. Can't even imagine this getting worse, but the possibility we know is there. The climate of the country has changed dramatically just over the last few weeks. People are not the same. People are not reacting the same. There is still a panic spreading over the country. There's a big uneasiness. The last time I went to look at how many states were impacted, y'all, it was all but 9 states. All but 9 states. So there's no doubt 50 states, we're probably just days away from all 50 states. But this has been a year filled with surprises, and I know there are many more ahead. So, ladies and gentlemen, please tell me what you think about America, U.S. stock market, the world market, entering a bear market now. So we'll see how far off the recession is. Usually the recession comes not long after a market turns bear, but we shall see. You know, I was looking at an article of how many trillions were lost since Trump took office. It said $11.6 trillion has been lost since Trump became the president of the United States. That's a lot of money. And I was reading another story of how the billionaires, they are losing so much money on the stock market right now. They said it could easily turn to $1 trillion in losses for billionaires in this country. You know, you got to understand these people heavily invest their money because they think they're going to get a lot out of it. So, you know, they don't anticipate these things happening. And it's just been huge sell offs going on over these past few weeks. So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for what's to come. You're looking at all of these things happen simultaneously. And the sad part is there'll probably be more things happening simultaneously along with what we're seeing right now. You know, it is a bleak year. Like I said to you before, when corporations say we're not making any money this year, they're not lying. They are telling the truth. Probably the only truth they probably ever told, but at this moment, they are telling the truth. But y'all, please tell me what you think about the bear market that America and the world is now in. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.